Example 4, secondhand smoke. Figure below here, okay, shows the graphs of confidence interval estimates of the mean cotinine level in each of the 3 samples. People who smoke, which is in green, and then we have the people who don't smoke but are exposed to tobacco smoke. So we will say that that one is in purple. So that means they're either exposed to tobacco at home or work. And then we have the third, which is people who don't smoke and are not exposed to smoke. So let's take a look at those intervals before we proceed with this question here. Okay, so if we take a look at this interval down here, that is the people not exposed to smoke, you can see that that interval goes from, it starts at 0 and it goes to approximately maybe 48. Okay, and then if we take a look at the people exposed to smoke, then we will see that that interval starts at 25. So if you look down here, it starts at 25, and then it goes to, let's say, approximately maybe 110. And then if we look at the interval where it says that the smokers, or the people who smoke, you can see that's maybe a little bit before 150. So we would say maybe about 148. Now again, I'm just approximating this to maybe about, let's say, 220. Okay, so now these confidence intervals in this next sentence are based on samples of data taken from data set 15, which is passive and active smoke, in Appendix B. Now, because cotinine is produced by the body when nicotine is absorbed, cotinine is a good indication of nicotine intake. Now, figure 7.6 here helps us see the effects of secondhand smoke. If you look in figure 7.6, we see that the confidence interval for smokers does not overlap the other confidence intervals. So it appears that the mean cotinine level of smokers is different from that of the other 2 groups. Now, the 2 non-smoking groups have confidence intervals that do overlap. So it is possible that they have the same mean cotinine level. It is helpful to compare confidence intervals or their graphs, but such comparisons should not be used for making formal and final conclusions about equality of means. Further chapters in 9 and 12 will introduce better methods for formal comparisons of means.